Soching constituency alo Langkircha sangkechep akhai kangthurji aphan school ahem ki kim patang ponsi SK Miller aridengpen kangpu Ronggrup ke pachalar nangji pulote aprangsi hawar aradaphan pirthe abida hikha mate lo ke pachali mesen kipi donangji labangso hempensi ke thekkiri bidi keme klim somara tumaphan than pere nangji labangso ke mangpen Meghalaya Silong pen SK Miller alangli ning ke mepen Langkircha rongsopi pen atokalong sitami nang humrisi Langkircha ahawar anparta tibok terai jesemet rumphum khile mulong majar socheng aradaphan pirthe amek ke pachechar dunji aphan pura New Life Center of Education amen pen school ahem ke damtang surihini rakep aningkan pen akemang pen school ahem nangkimpon bomsi ke damtang aruni phai kresir kepani ada por phai kebra chitim apor malom pen Langkircha pen ke chenglok tibok terai arong arado an pen chingrum si New Life Center of Education asaihem SK Miller arideng pen ingpupon
Israel helaya reita sikul
Kei dhorom plak plate pin pensi labangso school ahem lo than ponji labangso hem kimi mesen kangpu adim ahawar arat akisung do an kachethan chimum lapen bidi sore sitami chethan chimum ponji aphan Langkircha arat aphan pachini labangso hem kimi kangpu along Nelson Pro lapen SK Miller atum pen kichenglok aizol lapen Silong pen pinnang an arat nang chingrum dunsi ingsam jin pen school ahem kangpu asai angdeng pachun pon
that in this special occasion Gospel and his team are here, and the whole purpose of this building and educational institution that we have here is for the development of the whole Karbi Anglong, primarily for Langkircha and generally for the whole Karbi Anglong. But the main aim is that the creator of the Karbis, the Sakecheps, all the people living here, the living God would be made known from this place. And we know that He loves everyone, regardless of our tribes, regardless of our faith. God loves us so much, and this love is to be demonstrated in that smallest way of establishing this small school with a vision of making a progress till it comes to the college level. And so that is why it's a very ambitious program, but with God all things are possible.
Hamren Ben Daniel Inghi, Karbi Anglong Live.